Warm milk, 200 milliliters. Sugar, 2 tablespoons. Dissolve sugar in warm milk. Dry yeast, 2 teaspoons. Leave the yeast to activate for 15 minutes. Add 2 eggs. Soften butter. Vanillin or vanilla sugar and salt. Mash the butter with a fork. I use all-purpose flour, exactly 470 grams. You don't need to sift it. First, mix all the ingredients with a spoon or spatula. Now you can continue kneading the dough with your hands. About 4 to 5 minutes is enough. The dough will be a little sticky, but it will be very easy to knead. The dough will still be a little sticky. This is normal. Cover the dough with cling film and a towel. Leave to rise in a warm place for 1 hour. The dough has risen very well. Now we need to prepare the baking pan. I will use a round ring with a diameter of 24 centimeters. You can take a rectangular shape as you like. The dough needs to be kneaded a little by hand to release the gas. I transfer the dough into the baking dish and spread it over the entire bottom. There is no need to grease the baking dish with anything, as the dough is very greasy and it will not stick in your baking dish. Cover the dough with a towel and leave the dough to rise for 25 minutes while we prepare the sugar and butter. We will need 120 grams of sugar and a packet of vanillin or vanilla sugar. Add 50 grams of softened butter to the sugar and mash everything together well with a fork. The dough has risen. Now use your finger to make indentations in the dough. First, put some sugar on top of the holes in the dough and use your finger to push the sugar and butter inside. Now spread the remaining sugar and butter over the cake and spread evenly. Cover the sugar cake with a towel and leave for 10 minutes, and in the meantime, turn on the oven to preheat. Bake the sugar cake in 2 stages. First, bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the cake from the oven and quickly pour whipped cream over it. I use 33% fat whipping cream. It's thick and doesn't soak into the cake, but that's how I want it. If you use 20% fat whipping cream, it will soak into the cake. Use what you have on hand. Place the cake back in the oven for about 7 minutes. Leave the finished sugar cake to cool on the table. The smell is incredible. As soon as the cake has cooled, you can take it out of the mold. Sugar cake is very easy and quick to make, and the result is amazing. Sugar cake is very soft, porous, and delicate in taste. Heavy whipping cream is baked in the oven with sugar and tastes like a delicate, sweet cake cream. On top of the cake is a vanilla sugar crispy crust. Delicious. Be sure to cook according to my recipe, and you will not regret how delicious and easy it is to make. Let's make a very simple, quick, and delicious apple cake recipe. You will like it, I guarantee it.